Hi there everybody, welcome to another video. On today's video I have this my Honda CB500X here. This is a 2022-2023 model, and the other day I made a video showing where the OBD port is for this bike. The reason I did that is because I had an engine light come on, and by now that engine light has disappeared after starting the bike a couple of times. But it made me curious to find out where the OBD port was, and also after doing some investigation, apparently you can buy one of these and you can connect to this a generic OBD port, OBD reader from a car. So that's what I'm going to try today and see if it actually works. So that's the part that goes onto the OBD, which is in this bike. If you saw my other video, it's just hiding in here. And if you remove the little cover, I just had it loose there because I was gonna do this, and you plug this part in there. Okay, that's in. Now I also need to plug my battery actually, because I keep it disconnected because I haven't been using the bike that much, and as a result I don't want to kill the battery, so hopefully the battery is alive. Right, I've got my battery connected. Let's just make sure it's alive. It is alive. And I've got no engine light. So anyway, I've got this generic OBD reader here. I've got it a long time ago, to be fair. So this is an old one. It's launch 5001. And well, let's see if it does anything. If it reads any codes. Since I had an engine light, I am assuming there might be a code in there, but I don't know. Right, that is in, so maybe I need to switch the ignition on. That is turning on. It says diagnosed, so I have to press OK. And now it's going to, it's got to search for what connection may find the bike, because usually you have to select a car and whatnot, but not with this one. Right, that is connected. It's actually found something. I'm going to press OK on that and read codes. I'm just going to answer my phone. Right, I've answered my call. Now, let's see what fault is there. Generic serial communication link. So nothing specific. Erase. Turn ignition on with engine off. Press enter. Press OK. Processing. So I mean, actually, the fact that this has connected to the bike and communicated with it, then emissions related diagnostic information has been cleared. So that's good. Usually when an engine light is on, it's an emissions related issue. So let's press OK. Let's read codes again. The vehicle has no fault codes. So that's great. I didn't actually think, I mean, I don't usually use this anymore because I work with cars. I use a little bit more sophisticated one because this one only does engine. It doesn't do ABS and other stuff. So I do have other computers for that. But it is interesting to know that you can actually get a car reader and just plug it in like that, and it actually works. So that's what the video was about. If you're looking for the OBD, or if you're looking to do some diagnosis on your bike, then you can actually use a car one if you have a car one. So I hope the video helps. If you have any questions, go ahead and let me know. Don't forget to like, follow, subscribe, and leave any comments below. And we'll see you all on my next video, which is going to be me taking my bike for an MOT. It hasn't been MOT'd since January. It does need a service as well. This is an oil and an oil filter, which I'll be doing as well, maybe after the MOT, if not before. But there will be videos of that, hopefully, because it's so hot that it's hard to make videos, but we'll give it a go. Anyway, till next time, bye for now.